Welcome to Dry Ground Honey. Today we're going to try and fix this drone lane colony. Yes, we're going to try and fix it. Going to get in this one today. Do something about getting it good for the winter. Now this might be a vanity project. Like, you might be better off just taking these bees and just shaking them out. Get it done. It's late in the season, but it just so happens that I already had 2 queens ordered. So I already got 2 queens coming in 3 days time. So I'll take this opportunity and may as well try and put a new queen in it. I got one coming, so may as well do it. If you remember from the video I went through checking if they had disease, there was quite a few swarm cells on the bottom of the mega droney frame. Now I knocked all them off, obviously, but I think we couldn't see the queen in there. There's loads of queen cells. I don't think they were superseding. I think they swarmed out. So hopefully they've swarmed out. There's going to be no eggs in there, no virgins, nothing. But we're going to get in there and have a look, try and find a virgin, or try and find the old queen in there. But I think, hopefully, that they've swarmed out. I haven't got a smoker. Let's get in there. Alright, let's get in there. Hopefully they're going to have a wild roar. Be like, well, we are queenless and doomed. Well, that seems so bad at the minute. There's a lot of bees. Right then, a queen. Oh, they're noisy, lah. They're noisy. I don't know if you can see them, but they are a bit noisy. Oh, these guys definitely don't sound like they got a queen. They're trying to sting me. These guys never try and sting me. Oh, they're trying to sting me, man. Just those in there. Wow, these are stuck together in there. Only opened them the other day. Alright, there's all the drone brood starting. Now there's no eggs in there at all. I'm gonna look for a virgin first. There's no eggs in there either. Just gonna look for a virgin first. I'm looking for the virgin. I just holding the entire frame out at arm's length. They're pretty chill, so there might be one in there. But they are trying to sting me, so there probably is not. Yeah, just hold out at arm's length. Look for something that is not quite right. Let's look, there's one on there. Then you'll often spot the queen. Now, no eggs doesn't necessarily mean no queen. Could be an off lay and I could have just missed her last time. But there was like 8 or 9 queen cells. So that to me says swarming. I'm just going to look for the queen first, look for a virgin. The colony's pretty loud. I can't see anything that screams virgin on there. There's eggs here, but they're 3-day-old eggs. See in there? There's eggs in there. Where are they? It's eggs, just here. Oh no, that's laying worker. It's laying worker. Eggs in there right at the top of the cells. Multiple eggs. It's laying worker. The worst case scenario. Dang it. Damn it. It's laying worker. Laying worker. What are they playing at? What are these bees playing at? They just signed their own death warrant. These are all getting shaken out. I'm going to phone up my buddy from the Beekeeping Association, see what he's got to say about it. Damn it. Mark the frame. get back to it after I spoke to him. So here's the telltale sign of the laying worker. Eggs on the side wall. Multiple eggs in the cell. Down in there, look, eggs on the side wall. There's 2 or 3 in there. There's some are on the bottom in there, but that's because they're small cells, you know, that's where the apivore strip has been. So all of these, they're getting shaken out. Dang it, that's the worst thing you can have, really. Especially at this time of year, laying worker. Nothing to it but to do it, let's go. They're not right. I've spoken with my buddy. We both agreed the best thing to do, shake every single one of these bees out. Every single one. Alright, let's get through it. We're going to shake them all out. We're going to take the hive, take it back to where it come from. Hopefully the laying worker can't fly back into the hive. That's the, you know, I'll check it in 3 days time when the queen's due, and we'll see. We'll see if there's eggs there, then the queen is not going into this one. All the bees will get shaken out again, the hive will get moved, and that'll be that. So, shake them all up. Everyone, off you go. They're not happy about it, are they? They're not happy about it. Oh, I forgot my tool. I'll be back. I got my tool. Frame number 1. Shake them all off into the dirt. Now they're not going to be happy about it. And I would blame them. Oh yeah, these are definitely laying worker. Now I'm going to check the frames there for now. Let's shake them all out. I think we've just caught it. Oh, we missed the queen cell. Missed one last time. It's strange for them to go laying worker when they've still got queen cells there, you know? That's strange. Take that down. You know, all of this. Take all of this down. Don't want any of these queens, anything like that. All of this is going to get scraped off. Because I don't know if they're trying to make a queen in there or not. It's all going to go to shit if it does. So it looks gruesome. All these drones about to hatch. It does look grim. But these couple of queens can't afford. Well, I can't afford to let them think they got a chance of making a queen. They're not going to get mated this time of year. So you know, that's grim. Sometimes it gotta be done. You know, just traumatise that baby bee there. They still had queen cells there, don't they? Why are they turning laying worker? This side is full of eggs on the side as well. You probably won't be able to see it there, but take my word for it. So every bee has got to go. These frames are full of nectar as well, where they've been bringing stuff in. But all gonna go. We've got to get every single bee off every single frame. Every single bee gotta go. You never know which one of these suckers is the laying worker. With all these frames out here as well, that's gonna incite robbing if we're not careful. So I'm looking to see if I can see my Mark Queen. I can't. Oh no. No. You're sucking me in my boot. Be careful not to shake him in your boot. Oh. That was a quick hop, wasn't it? Another one. Every bee gotta be gone. Well, we're gonna lose a lot of the young bees here, because obviously the young bees are not gonna be able to fly, are they? Now, this is not a guaranteed method either, you know what I'm saying? Might come back in 3 days' time and there might be eggs in there. The laying worker might have been able to fly. Every bee gotta go. Shake them off everything. All the bees out to the entrance, all the bees off the floor. Now, it looks like I'm being rough, right? And the truth is, I am. But we've got to be a little bit mean here. For the, I don't want to say the greater good. And get all Gestapo. But, every bee gotta go. Right, I'm gonna go take the hive back. Catch all these flying bees. See what we can do. Look at all these bees. Look at them all coming back. Just give them somewhere to go, is it? Alright, floor on, root box on. Let's give them all somewhere to go. Well, that was eventful, wasn't it? Alright, so I'm going to chuck off every bee. Now I've got to make sure there's no bees left on the frames when I take them back. So that's what I'm going to do now. No bee got to be on their frame. We never know which one of them is going to be the laying worker. Every frame got down there without the bee on it. Look at this pile of things there now. Hopefully someone in there is a laying worker that cannot fly. But look at all those bees. Must be all the young bees. Oh, that's a shame that those bees have got to die to save the rest of them. But if we didn't do this, all of them would have died anyway. By the winter, there would be none. So hopefully we can save them. We're doing a good thing. It don't look like it, but we're doing a good thing. So every bee then was off the feeder, and every bee was off the roof. So now, just gonna put them together. These guys are not having a good day today. Get them in, get this board in. Feeder on. Feeder on. Got to put the happy bar back in. Put that back in. Happy bar in. Hopefully when I come back on Friday in 3-4 days time to put a queen in, there's no eggs. If there's eggs, it's getting shaken out. Hive is getting moved. We'll have to come up with a different plan. Alright, thanks for watching. What to do with a laying worker? Shake them out and hope for the best. That's the 10th one. See you again. Ta-ra.